Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you a simple and fantastic way to get 3 months Apple Music subscription for free. 3 months without paying one kobo, $1 or any cent. Firstly, go to your Safari. You can open your Safari, your Chrome, or your Mini, or your Brave. I'm using Safari. Go to your Safari now and text www.zamzam.com/gp/Apple Music. As you see, click on go. You will see it like this. Then redeem, enter and press the redeem, and you will see a pop-up. After you see a pop-up, the pop-up will show you see 3 months redeem starting on 30 April. So you can be doing it every 3 months. Once you click the link, copy it to your notes and save it for another 3 months. I just double click. I want to redeem my 3 months because I'm up out already on the subscription. Let's see. You see, you will not be charged until 30 April 2023. You see, this is the trick. Simple trick within 1 minute without spending a kobo or a naira or $1 or a cent. If you are watching the video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because you don't want to miss another episode. I'm going to show you the proof that this thing work. Let's continue on my Apple Music. You see, this is my Apple Music. Sorry. You see, go to my browser. I'm showing you my profile now, and you will see manage subscription. You will see the dates. You see, renew 30 April. Renew 30 April. You see, the trick is so simple. Just click the link, redeem 3 months.